Jonathan here. In this video I'm going to show you all how to use Beautiful Soup to print all the links from a web page. It's pretty simple, and I just ask that if you get anything out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Subscribing is really key. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs as soon as possible. So let's get right into it. What we're going to do first is going to do from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. So that's the main library we're going to be using, and then also we're going to import requests. One of the parts of the Beautiful Soup is that it uses requests in many cases to download the page itself. So once it basically Beautiful Soup is grabbing the page and then it parses through the HTML. Okay, and then we're going to make the request to the website. So we're going to do response equals requests dot get, and that's going to be what website we want to use. We're going to use my website here, https://corba.com. Response equals blah blah blah. Okay, well, that looks good. And then we're going to do parse the HTML content of the website. So we're going to do soup equals Beautiful Soup, and then pass into it response dot content and HTML dot parser. So soup equals Beautiful Soup, and then pass into it response dot content. Yeah, that looks right. And now we're going to extract all the A tags from the web page, and all the A tags, those are all the links basically. All the A stands for anchor. So we're going to do links equals soup.find underscore all, and then it's going to be A. And then we're just going to loop through those links. So for link in links, just loop through them, and then we're going to print link of href. Simple enough. So let's take a look at it. Soup.find all. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, the links. Yeah. We're going to add right through that. Okay, let's try it. See what we get. And there you go. That's all of the URLs on that web page. Boom. You know, and it looks like, if I had to guess, this is a linked image. This is text below the link. Simple enough. I wonder what would happen. Oh no, let's not even go into it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you get anything out of this video, hit the like button. I'm going to do a whole lot more content on Beautiful Soup here coming up, so check out my channel if you want to see more things to familiarize yourself with Beautiful Soup. Thank you. Bye-bye.